Hello everybody, my name is Al DePoalo and I'm the Partner Products Manager. Today I wanted to pick up on the series of videos that I've been working on for projection toolpaths and different ways that you can use them. So today I'm on the 4-axis example on a contoured surface. So to begin with, I have just the wireframe I use to generate my surface. Then I have my surface file that I've capped off the edges, and this is representing my curved surface that I want to put the pattern on. From there I have my pattern. This is the pattern that I want to use, and there's another step that you have to take, which is you actually have to bend the pattern so that it's close to the contour of the surface that you're going to project it down onto. So these are the steps that I needed in order to lay this out, and I should be able to project this down. So let's go ahead and load up our stock wizard. We're going to use solid model stock. Go ahead and pick our solid here. Alright, our 0, we'll leave the 0 over there, that's just fine. Okay, now from here I really want to get into my, I guess that's a poor choice here. Let me change the color of that to a different color. Okay, I really want this purple geometry to be projected down onto my curved surface there, so I'm going to use one of our multi-axis strategies. This one is going to be project curves. The tool that I'm going to use is going to be a V-tip cutter, and whatever, I'll throw a tool holder on there as well. Small diameter, I don't want a small diameter. 0.03. Okay, so we have our tool. Now from here we need to select the curves that we want to project down onto the surface, so we'll go ahead and select by color. We'll pick our purple. Alright, from here we're going to go to our max projection distance. This is the distance that the geometry can be from the surface, so we'll just say, I don't know, 1 inch. Okay. Drive surface offset, if we want to leave additional stock, that's fine. We'll leave it where it is. Drive surfaces. I need to select my drive surfaces. So we'll go to our solid. We'll pick these two surfaces here. Alright. So we have our drive surfaces. This is all fine. Tolerance is fine. Okay, tool axis control is going to be in 4-axis, and our rotary axis is going to be on X. Gouge check, I'm not going to do any. Lengths, I'm going to go to my clearance area. I'm going to say this is cylindrical, and I'll say 4. Okay, and compute. And this should project that path down onto that surface. Now, typically you would do this in, like a 5-axis projection or something along those lines. In this case, we are running this right along where we want. I guess that 4 inches is probably a little higher of a value than we really need, so let me go back and change this clearance to, let's make it 2 1/4. So yeah, it's going to project it down onto that surface, and then we can have a fixture to hold the the wood that we're engraving in on and putting this pattern, and it all should work out pretty nicely. Let's take a look at simulation. So let's load up the simulator. From here we can see we have our simulation all loaded up. I'm going to toggle off the toolpath. I'm going to turn off my initial stock, blank out my solids from the screen, and let's go ahead and run this through. See how it looks. Now I projected, I created a cross hatch, and I used a profile for that, or a boundary for that. And in this example, you see that it's following the boundary first, and it's going so it's going around. I would think that I might want to do that last, but from here you can see that it's just gonna generate all of our cross hatching motion, putting our pattern into the gun stock that we want. And you can see as I scroll out this move list, you can see we're moving in X, Y, Z, and A, so this is a true 4-axis routine, and it's doing a really nice job here. I'll kind of speed this up a little bit so we can see how it's moving back and forth. From what I gather, this process without running it on the machine may be laser engraved, or maybe hand carved as well. But it does take quite a while to be able to do this kind of work, and being able to run this on your 4th axis would definitely, speed up the process and automate it, making it possible to produce these in volume. It's kind of dizzying to see it at that speed. What I'll do is just run this through. Once it gets to one side, it's going to switch to the other side.